Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make poor man's soup, then so can you. While the name poor man's soup may suggest a lack of abundance, it's important to recognize its value in showcasing the adaptability and creativity of Chinese cuisine, as well as the Chinese people in general. During periods of economic hardship, each family was given a fixed amount of food coupons to purchase food on a monthly basis. These coupons were used for buying grain, rice, flour, food oil, meats, etc. Poor man's soup became a way to ensure that the monthly coupons would be enough for the whole family. The ingredients added to the soup remains the same, and more water is added to increase the volume of the soup so that every person could have some. Meat is optional, as during the hardest of times, meat was not always available. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. We're going to be using rice noodles, the meat of your choice, red onion, salt, green onion, lettuce, a little bit of carrot and a little bit of celery, white pepper, and zhenchuang chili bean paste. We're going to start with some oil in a pan over high heat and add in the chili bean paste, and then the red onions. Let those cook through the heat for a little while and add your meat. For us, we added a 1/4 pound of diced pork. When your meat is browned, then you'll be adding in a 1/4 cup of celery and a 1/4 cup of carrot, both of which are finely sliced. Then you can add in your water. For us, we were making 4 servings, and that's 1.5 cups of water per person. In this part of the video, Uncle Fred is explaining that you use bowls to measure, because then you'd know how much soup each person was going to get. After adding your water, we're going to be adding in a tablespoon of light soy sauce, and then a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Next is 2 tablespoons of black vinegar. Then we're going to use the scientific method of 1 handful of noodles per person. We're making 4 servings, so we put in 4 handfuls of noodles. And lastly, about a handful of lettuce. You can exchange the lettuce for any other type of vegetable you want, either bok choy or cabbage or whatever you have around. And then finally, about 1 teaspoon of white pepper. If you want it a little zingier, you can put in a little bit more white pepper. And then your soup is done. You can distribute it to your serving bowls and give that subscription button a click. If you like the little bit of history that came along with this dish, give the video a like. Let us know down in the comments if you give it a try and what types of vegetables, meats, and noodles you substituted. And as always, thank you so much for watching.